What do we mean when we say information technology? Information technology, or IT, is the use of technology to process, store, and transmit information. This includes everything from computer systems and networks to software, databases, and the Internet. Why is IT important in today's world? Information technology plays a vital role in today's world. It's a broad field that encompasses everything from computer hardware and software to networking and the Internet. IT is used in many different fields such as computer science, information systems, digital media, healthcare, cybersecurity, robotics, and IoT. Types of information technology. Computer hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the CPU, memory, and storage devices. Computer software. Computer software is the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Networking. Networking refers to the interconnectedness of computer systems and the ability to share information and resources. The Internet is a prime example of a network, connecting billions of computers and devices around the world. Fields that use information technology. Computer science. The field of computer science focuses on the theory and application of computer technology, and includes areas such as programming, software engineering, and artificial intelligence. Information systems. The field of information systems focuses on the use of technology to support and improve business operations. It includes areas such as system analysis and design, database management, and e-commerce. Digital media. The field of digital media is heavily dependent on IT. This field includes areas such as web design, graphic design, and video production. It also includes the field of digital marketing, which uses technology to reach and engage with customers. Healthcare. The field of healthcare is increasingly reliant on IT. Electronic health records, telemedicine, and medical imaging are just a few examples of how technology is being used to improve healthcare. Cybersecurity. In the field of cybersecurity, IT plays a critical role in protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. This field includes areas such as network security, data encryption, and incident response. Robotics. The field of robotics uses technology to design, develop, and control. We've covered a lot of ground in this video on introductions to information technology. We've defined what IT is, discussed the different types of information technology, and looked at the various fields that use IT. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of what information technology is and how it's used in today's world. From computer hardware and software, to networking, digital media, healthcare, cybersecurity, robotics, and IoT, IT plays a critical role in all of these fields. It's a rapidly growing and ever-evolving field, and it's important to stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.